lug, a nut like this. This is a 1974 Suzuki RV125. It's a 2-stroke. It's got the split transfer case sprocket, so you can shift from high to low, so it has 4 gears in low and 4 gears in high. And I'm going to show you guys a little trick. Okay, if you have a air-cooled cylinder head that looks like this, I'm going to show you guys a little hack here. You have a spark plug, and then if on the top of your cylinder head you have a lug, a nut like this, I'm going to show you what you can do. You can actually pull this lug, or this stud I should say. Actually, it's just a big cylinder bolt, but it's made to be removed. So go ahead and remove it. I just wrote it, so it's going to be a little bit hot. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like another spark plug hole, doesn't it? Look, here's what it looks like. Yeah, that's hot. I'll put it in the light here so you can see. So it's the same threads as a spark plug. So what you can do is you can take a second spark plug and you can put it in this hole here, torque it down, and you can ride forever like that. And then when this spark plug fouls, pop your coil wire off, move it over to this side, pop that one on, and then you can get home. It's something I wish they still did to all bikes, but they only do it to the old ones. And you can just run it like that. Leave a spare spark plug in there. If you foul a plug out on the trail, which is common with these old 2-strokes, you just pop this coil wire off and pop it onto this plug, and the bike should fire right up. I'll show you guys. I'll just torque this a little bit, and I'll show you guys that you can run it with both plugs in. Turn the key on, gas on. Okay, you can see it's just hooked up to that side there. Hit the run switch. But yep, that's it. That's a little hack for this RV125.